Gamay lang na. Gamay lang na. Papa.
It's small, yes. It's nothing. It's okay.
Mumala na siya.
Is that baby Binbin? Is he drinking a milk?
Yes.
Okay. You're feeding baby Binbin, no? Are you feeding baby Binbin, kuya?
Yes.
Hold it properly. Hold it. Oh, what happened to the milk? She still want to drink milk. Hold it properly. Mm. He's very hungry. Diba, kuya? He's very hungry. Baby Binbin is very hungry, kuya. Oh, more. Put it there.
Ay, naapay sunod. Gamay left.
Yes. Binbin, say thank you to kuya. Binbin, say thank you to kuya. Kuya, thank you. Kuya, thank you for feeding me. Say thank you. And Baby Bonbon, say you're welcome.
You're welcome.
Baby Binbin. Oh, it's okay. It's done, kuya. Tell your mom, ina, mama, it's done.
Maybe hulot naman.
Yes, no more. Oh, wipe the mouth. Oh, Baby Binbin. Wipe the mouth. Hmm. Tell your mom. Tell your mama it's done.
Mama,